So cool.
It's starting. Go, go, go.
Okay, so today what we're going to sing? What are we going to sing? Three Little Birds! Come on, you guys! Okay. Today we've got singing in our group today.
Rowan, Zoe, Emma, Sophie.
Sophie and Yun Yun, and on camera is Milo. You ready? Okay, start with the whistle.
Oh. Don't move it too much. Okay.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Get loose here, guys. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this
You can take your hand off.
Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on the doorstep, singing sweet songs, melody pure and true. This is my message to you.